Hi everyone, this is Karen Velia and welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's videos, nandito tayo sa Talisay City College. So before everything else, let me share with you the front of our school. So nandito pala ako ngayon sa terrace. So from the terrace, makikita nyo yung complex, tapos yung Santa Teresa Church and also the intersection the Dumlog, Tangki, and saan ba yun? Yun sa Miramar pala na village. Yan yung intersection na yun. Tapos makikita nyo na yung Quatralineos na building and also the building A. So yung pagkapasok nyo from the terrace, makikita nyo yung President's Office, Dean's Office, and the Faculty of the Teachers. So, yeah. So, the main reason why kung bakit tayo ngayon nandito sa Talisay City College is because tapos na tayong mag-duty sa dalawang lab school namin, which is the Science High School and also the National High School here in Talisay City. So, yeah, so nandito na naman tayo sa Talisay City College kasi kailangan natin lang mag-render ng 40 hours sa aming mentor dito sa TCC. So, ayan. So, mentor pala ko dito is si Ma'am Cabrera. Tapos yung Miss TS is si Ma'am Helen Bacalso. And so yung duty hours mo each day, it's 8 hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then, na-pressure din ako ng time na kasi exit din mo din namin yung pag Wednesday. But, since sinabihan ako ni Ma'am ng aking mentor na ako yung mag-discuss during her time. So, I asked her na siya na lang kung pwede siya na lang yung mag-rate sa akin o kaya mag-observe sa akin para kasi hindi talaga ako makapag-exit din mo kasi duty week ko yon ko diba. So yeah, pumayag naman siya na I'm so thankful and blessed for that. So thank you so much ma'am, and yeah. And then, here we are. So, yung klase ko pala is online. Na-challenge ako ng time na yun kasi I never had experience of having an online class as a teacher or as a student teacher. I do have as a student, but now I am the teacher, so I will be the one to talk. So, para siyang challenge for me kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga activity na pwede kong gawin. But, I really do my best na magiging interactive siya. Pero I am just so happy na nag-participate naman yung mga students ko. So, thank you so much for your participation. So, yeah. At this moment pala is nandito kami sa Building D. At dito kami sa third floor. And ang ganda ng kanilang view. Nakikita nila yung ocean. At that is so refreshing kasi pag nag-stress ka, makikita mo na lang yung mga, marami kasing tao na kasi part in yun. And yeah, pagkatapos ng klase ko, na the next day is nag-checking and recording na din kami sa mga scores ng students. And nandito pala kami nakatambay sa library kasi super init talaga ng panahon ngayon. And I really need an electricity na din kasi meron nga akong online class for the students. So that is the main reason why kung bakit kami nandito sa library nakatambay. And I'm just so thankful kasi hindi naman kami pinagbawalan doon. Basta meron ka lang ID. So, yeah. ID lang yung hinahanap nila. And then, pagkatapos nun is, pumapasok din kami sa mga ibang klase, nag-observe din kami. And then, today is the last day of of my duty here in Talisay City College. But, na-challenge ako kasi nga pagdating ko sa library, it's closed pa. And then, yung class ko, it's 8 a.m. Pero na-late talaga ako, hindi talaga kinaya sa oras. Kaya pagkapasok ko sa library is nag-set up ako agad and then pumasok na ako sa class. And then, I started my lesson. So, yung lesson pala namin is all about the basic trigonometry, and this is the formula of the Pythagorean theorem. Yan yung aming topic. And I think that would be all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!